So today is your first day of Pro Kitchen. How are you feeling? What is your name and your station?
My name is Finn, and the station for the first day in Professional Kitchen is Abulur. And I'm feeling very nervous.
Siguro namin ako ng isa.
From Egg and Sandwich Station, and I'm feeling good. And Marcus.
My name is Kim Aubrey, and I'm from Soup and Pasta Station, and I'm feeling nervous and excited.
My name is Bonnie, and I'm in the main course. I will cook braised pork steak in caramelized onion demi-glace. And I'm feeling glad.
Ako nga pala si Ray Mike. Nag-enjoy naman ako sa ginagawa ko. Sa show ko ngayon ay sa pasta at soup. Thank you.
My name is AJ. On my station is I'm doing main course, fish and chips. Well, I'm excited pala namin start the rice.
My name is Mark, station to sa Lagyan. Then, na-appreciate kasi first time namin.
Ako, ito siya.